Hey there. You're listening to Brain Bites, the quick hit from Unshakable Brain. I'm your host, Dr. Kylie, and in just a few minutes, you'll walk away with a practical insight, fun story, or interesting brain fact. All right, let's jump in. Humpback whales have been caught on camera hundreds of times rescuing other animals seals, sea lions, even fish from orca attacks. Here's the wild part. They get nothing out of it. No food, no status, no survival benefit. Scientists think this might be an example of something we humans know well: empathy. In our brains, empathy is powered by networks that light up when we sense someone else's fear, pain, or need. Mirror neurons help us imagine what others are experiencing, and areas like the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula push us to respond. When we see whales protecting other species just because, it raises a big question. Is empathy something unique to humans or a universal brain trait that helps species connect and protect each other? Holy smokes, empathy. That when I saw that story about humpback whales, I immediately thought of the people in my life who are empathetic. I, for one, am not. No matter how hard I try to be, I just can't take on somebody else's energy. It's not in me. Can I come to people's rescue? Yes. As a mom, am I able to do that? Yes. But I can't sit in someone else's sorrow or someone else's feeling with them. It is interesting to hear, though, that humpbacks have been caught on camera hundreds of times rescuing other animals from attack, and they get absolutely nothing of reward from it. So, interesting story, interesting thought about the emotion of empathy. So, here's your brain bite challenge this week. Practice a small act of empathy with no strings attached. Hold the door for someone, check in on a friend, or give a genuine compliment. These micro moments of empathy strengthen your own brain's wiring for connection, resilience, and emotional health. Fun fact: did you know acts of empathy don't just make others feel good? They actually boost your own brain chemistry, releasing oxytocin and endorphins that help lower stress and improve mental resilience. Speaking of oxytocin, that is a marker inside your brain DNA test in which you can learn if your brain DNA is wired or designed to produce oxytocin, utilize oxytocin, and get rid of it efficiently. Why do you care? Well, that oxytocin is your ability to connect with others. What does your brain DNA test say? I know mine says I'm 50-50 on oxytocin, which isn't good. It's not bad. It just means I might need a little bit more to put forward more effort into the connection with others, especially those relationships that I want to feel really connected to. Go grab your brain DNA test and find out oxytocin and other pieces of information at unshakablebrain.ai. All right. That is your brain bite for the week. Humpback whales may be the vigilance of the sea, but you've got the same empathy wiring inside your brain. Use it, strengthen it, and watch your brain grow more unshakable. I'm Dr. Kylie, and I'll see you on the next episode.